Have you ever wondered how your body keeps its temperature, water, and sugar levels just right, no matter what's happening around you? Have you really thought of that? The secret lies in powerful chemical messengers called hormones. Welcome to Olive Academy, where we make science simple. Today, we'll explore how hormones work as vital parts of the mammalian system that keeps our internal environment balanced, a process we call homeostasis. Make sure you subscribe and tap the notification button so that you will be notified anytime I upload a video. Hormones are chemical substances that are secreted by endocrine or ductless glands into the bloodstream, which affects the activity of cells and tissues in our body. Once a hormone is released in the blood, it is carried by blood plasma to the required organ called the target organ. Once the effects of hormones are over, they are destroyed and excreted from the body. So, let's look at endocrine glands and hormones they produce. Endocrine glands are ductless glands that secrete hormones and release them straight to the blood. As you can see from this diagram, thyroid gland produce thyroxine, pituitary gland produce prolactin, oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone, somatotropin, and topic hormones. Adrenal gland produce adrenaline. Ovary produce estrogen and progesterone. We will focus on these four hormones: adrenaline, thyroxine, estrogen and testosterone. Adrenaline, which is also known as emergency hormone, is produced by adrenal gland located at the top of the kidney. It targets vital organs and prepares the body for emergency. Hope you're following. Oversecretion of adrenaline causes increased excitement and over-anxiety, increased blood pressure and heartbeat, and heightened alertness as part of the body's fight or flight response, while undersecretion of adrenaline leads to lack of energy, weakness and tiredness, low blood pressure, low heartbeat. Difficulty in responding to stressful situations due to insufficient activation of the fight or flight response. Thyroxine is produced by the thyroid gland located at the anterior region of the neck. It controls the metabolic rate of the body, which is the rate at which the body converts food and oxygen into energy. Okay, do you understand? Oversecretion of thyroxine leads to increased metabolic rate and heartbeat, weight loss and enlarged thyroid gland or exophthalmic goiter, while undersecretion of thyroxine leads to decreased metabolic rate and heartbeat, weight gain or obesity and goiter formation or hyperplastic goiter. Testosterone is produced by the testes and it stimulates the appearance of secondary characters in males such as deeper voice, facial and pubic hair and growth in muscle and bone strength. Do you understand? Make sure you are jotting things down. Oversecretion of testosterone leads to excessive development of sexual organs and abnormal urge for sex, while undersecretion of testosterone leads to underdevelopment of sexual organs and low urge for sex. Estrogen is produced by the ovary. It stimulates the development of female secondary characteristics such as breast development, pubic hairs, and smooth skin. Hope you're following. Right. Oversecretion of estrogen leads heavy or irregular menstruation, breast tenderness and weight gain, while undersecretion of estrogen leads to missed menstruation cycle, mood swings, hot flashes and night sweats. Right, drop your questions at the comment section. Now, we are going to look at how hormones help in homeostasis. 1. Blood glucose control. After you eat, blood sugar rises. The pancreas releases insulin, signaling cells to absorb glucose. If sugar drops too low, glucagon is released to raise it. 2. Water balance. When you're dehydrated, the pituitary gland releases ADH, antidiuretic hormone, which tells the kidneys to conserve water. 3. Temperature regulation. The thyroid gland releases thyroxine, which speeds up metabolism to produce heat when you're cold. 4. Stress response. In sudden danger, the adrenal glands release adrenaline and cortisol to boost heart rate and energy. Hope you now understand the roles hormones play in homeostasis. As I said in my previous video that kidney, liver, skin, hormones and brains are mammalian parts responsible for homeostasis. Go and watch this video if you have not watched it. Great! You see, hormones are silent guardians that keep every cell functioning smoothly. If this lesson helped you understand the role of hormones in homeostasis, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Olive Academy for more clear, exam-ready biology videos. For your assignment, mention 3 other animal hormones. Drop the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.